Hello and welcome back to Treasury Crafts. This is Anu. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make fish couple sculpture. So take a paper, simply sketch a shape of a fish like this. Cut it and use this as a stencil to cut the cardboard. I have made two shapes with variations in the fins. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified for the upcoming videos. Don't skip the video, watch till end so that you will know all important steps. To make it strong, you will need two pieces of cardboard for a single sculpture. You can even cut all four pieces in same shape if you wish. Now glue them together. I'm using Fevicol. Consider subscribing my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Only then you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. I am using aluminium foil as a filler. You can even use newspaper. If you are using newspaper, roll it and fold and make a round shape and use it as a filler. Roughly make shapes like this and fill it in the areas I do. I have used the same technique in making of Lord Krishna clay mural using paper clay. If you haven't watched the video yet, I have given the link in the description box. Please check it. Repeat for the other side too. Now for the second fish, I'm doing the same thing. Rolling some foil, shaping and fixing it using glue. Repeat for the other side. Now the two pieces are ready to do the clay work. You will need some glue, paper clay or any dry clay. I am using this homemade paper clay. The recipe of this paper clay is available in my channel. Link is available in the description box. Please check it. Apply glue and fix the paper clay like this. If you directly use clay, you will need more amount of clay. But if you use fillers like this, you will need only less amount of clay. And also these fillers will give a shape to your sculpture. Really need to maintain patience while working with clay. Video may be too long, but I'm trying to show you all steps as much as possible. Tutorial of paper clay recipe is available in my channel. Link is given in the description box, so please check it. Cover at the back side with the clay. Use glue to fix the clay. Check description box for all materials I use, and also for the tutorials of paper clay and Lord Krishna clay mold. Please check the description box. Do comment in the comment box, and that will help me to improve my videos. This clay takes about 24 to 48 hours to dry completely based on the thickness. You have to repeat the same for the other piece too. For face part, draw a curve like this using any sharp object. Smooth out using Fevicol and water. Now to create a base for the fish to stand, take some clay and fix it like this. For base alone, you have to give thick layer of clay for the fish to stand properly. Now smoothing out the sculpture using Fevicol and water. Make some texture for the fins using any sharp object. You really don't need clay tool for this. Once the fish couple dried completely, sand it using sandpaper for the smoothness. It will be really strong once it dried. I have done it for the other piece too. Make sure the base is flat like this for the sculpture to stand. For clay comparison, I have covered some parts of a piece with cold porcelain clay, but it leaves cracks, and I have covered it with the clay. Whereas paper clay doesn't leave any cracks. For eye part, take some clay, roll it and fix like this. Next, to create design, I am using 3D outliner. You can use any color you wish. We are going to paint on that. So make designs like this. Just fill the gaps with small dots. If you don't have 3D outliner, it's not a problem. You can simply color the sculpture and then make designs using thin brush. I will show that in end. Make designs for the other piece too. I'm just making designs at the front part alone. If you want, you can make it at the back side too. Let it dry completely. I'm using a teal blue color for one piece, for the first piece. You can give any color you wish. You can even give black color and highlight it with metallic colors. And bright yellow for the other piece. Give 2 coats of paint. Allow it to dry completely. Once it dried, I'm highlighting the texture using metallic golden powder. applying at the corners. For other piece, I'm giving a dark pink color. Since I'm giving bright color for this piece, so I decided to highlight the first piece too with a bright color. I'm using a dark blue, just highlighting the lines and the designs. If you don't have 3D outliner, you can make designs with thin brush like this once you completed the painting. It is not necessary to use clay for the eyes. You can even use beads like this for the eye part. Stick and then paint it. For lips, I'm giving dark pink color. And the fish couple sculpture is ready. You can use it as a home decor. If you like this video, please hit like button, share it with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Bye bye. And don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos.